Quick demonstration of the router, at least moving around a little bit here. I'm not going to turn everything on right now because it's pretty hot in here and it gets pretty loud for the video. But what I'll do is I'll start up the spindle and then actuate the router back and forth a little bit so you can see. So the spindle's really nice and quiet. It's water cooled. There's a water pump, fluids, and then a reservoir. And you can hear the spindle spooling up. I'm going to take it all the way up to 24,000 RPM. And a little bit of resonance on the frame at around 18,000, but nothing enough to cause any problems. But as you can see, it's really nice and quiet. Of course, things get a lot louder once I turn the vacuums on. So I'm going to go ahead and shut that down here. Yep, there's the resonance. Okay. I'm just going to jog it around right now so you can see things kind of moving.